you are. We've been looking everywhere for you.
Mom, Dad.
Ella, where is Ben? I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Ben is missing?
Let's find him right now. Ben!
Ben!
Ben! Where are you?
Ben! Where are you? Ben! I can't find our son.
Where could he be?
What have I done? This is all my fault. There was a family with a father, a mother, an older daughter named Ella, and a younger son named Ben.
I love this sandwich. It's delicious.
Mommy, look! We're so happy here. Why do Mom and Dad always pay attention to Ben?
Look! I can kick the ball so far!
Ella became jealous of her younger brother.
Ella, look! I can kick the ball so far!
That's nice, Ben.
Kids, we're going to the supermarket to buy some food.
Ella, please watch your little brother while we're gone.
Okay, Mom.
We'll be back soon.
Look at me, Ella. I'm on the swing. Ugh.
Ella looked at her brother and remembered her jealousy.
Maybe if Ben disappears, Mom and Dad will love only me again. I could swing all day. Sorry, but I need to go now. Bye. Ella? Ella, where are you? Ella! 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 Mom! Dad.
I don't know where everyone is.
Mama? Mama, where are you? Please, I can't find you.
Woof! Woof!
Ah. I want my mom. Boo-hoo. 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 Mom. Dad.
Ella! Oh, there you are. We've been looking everywhere for you.
Mom. Dad.
Ella, where is Ben? I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Ben is missing?
Let's find him right now. Ben!
Ben!
Ben! Where are you?
Ben! Where are you? Ben! I can't find our son.
Where could he be?
What have I done? This is all my fault.
Mom, Dad. Yes? Please stay here.
Why? I'll go find Ben.
Be careful. I promise I'll bring him back. Ben! Ben! Where are you? Oh no! What if something bad happened to him? Excuse me, sir. Yes? Have you seen a little boy walking alone?
Yes, I saw one earlier.
Really?
He walked that way.
Thank you so much.
I hope you find him.
Ella ran as fast as she could. Tree.
Ben! Ben, I'm so sorry. Ella. I shouldn't have left you alone. I was scared. I know. I'm sorry. I missed you. Let's go home.
Together, they returned to the park. Daddy? Mommy?
We're here.
Oh, sweethearts. What's wrong?
My babies. We're here now. Everything is all right.
Mom. Dad. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
Ben didn't get lost by himself. What do you mean?
I left him alone.
You did what?
I was jealous, Bed. I thought you loved Ben more than me.
I'm sorry. Ella,
That was a very serious mistake.
I know. Please forgive me.
Ella, what you did was wrong.
I know, Mom. But you admitted your mistake and helped find your brother.
We love both of you equally.
Really?
Of course.
Of course. Ben needs more attention because he is younger.
You are older and can do many things by yourself.
That doesn't mean we love you less.
I understand now.
I'm sorry for being jealous.
It's okay, Ella.
Thank you, Ben. This is the perfect evening.
Look how happy they are skipping along.
Can we get ice cream later?